What's the meaning of assess? Assess. Assess.
Assess. Assess. Assess means to evaluate or judge the nature, ability, or quality of something or someone. It involves analyzing and appraising various aspects of a situation or individual in order to form an informed opinion or make a decision. The result of an assessment can vary depending on the context, but it generally provides insight into strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Assessments may be used to determine performance, identify potential risks, allocate resources, or establish goals. They can be conducted using a variety of methods such as surveys, tests, interviews, or observations.